Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, retinitis pigmentosa, clinical features of retinitis pigmentosa. A patient with retinitis pigmentosa will present with nyctalopia or night blindness. Rods are important in night vision. So here there is degeneration of rods is happening, and as a result the patient will present with night blindness or nyctalopia. There is impaired dark adaptation time is seen. Along with that, tunnel vision is seen in later stages. In retinitis pigmentosa, there is tunnel vision is seen. That is, the patient is just able to see the central portion, whereas the whole peripheral portion, which contains the rods, is undergoes degeneration and dystrophy. Thus, the patient can see only the tunnel type of vision. So in retinitis pigmentosa, there is a classical triad is seen in retinitis pigmentosa, which mainly consists of arteriolar attenuation will be seen. On fundus examination, it looks something like this with arteriolar attenuation is seen. These are the bony pigment, bony corpuscle or bony spicule pigmentation is seen here. This pigmentation is most commonly seen around the blood vessels. Along with that, the optic disc is pale and waxy optic disc with consecutive optic atrophy is seen. Pale and waxy optic disc with consecutive optic atrophy is seen in retinitis pigmentosa.
thank you and thank you for watching.